Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off two-factor authentication on your Pinterest account. So if for any reason you have it turned on before and now you want to turn it off, it's very easy. And I'm going to show you how to do so if you don't remember how to turn it off. Click your profile on the upper right hand side, then go ahead and click in view profile on the upper right hand side again. Then click on edit profile, then on the left hand side click on security. And here you will see that you have the two-factor authentication turned on. All you have to do is just simply uncheck this box that says require a code to log in. Once you do that, go ahead and enter your password. That's the password that you use to create your account once you're setting it up, and go ahead and click and turn it off. And that's it. Now the next time you try to sign into Pinterest, let me go ahead and sign out. Here, you will see that when you try to log in, it's not going to require you to basically enter that password. So I'm going to enter my email address here, click and continue, and basically click and continue without password. You can even choose to continue without password. It's as easy as that because it'll recognize your Gmail account. So you can go ahead and you can choose that. I'm going to enter that, or I can enter my password. Let me go ahead and enter that. Then click and log in. And you'll see that it logs me right into Pinterest without even asking me for the code that I would have used to log in, or that I would use to send to my email address to sign into Pinterest. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.